Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting setup from Donner, specifically their 61 key folding keyboard paired with a Z-style stand. This isn't just any keyboard, it's the Donner DP06. What immediately stands out is its design. It boasts an ultra-thin body and a clever 180-degree folding mechanism. This lightweight design really nails that concise aesthetic, making the keyboard feel simple, fashionable, and incredibly convenient. Portability is a huge selling point here. The DP06 is built for movement. It can last for up to 10 hours of continuous play on charge, which is fantastic for taking on the go. Its compact and lightweight nature makes it perfect for traveling, whether you're heading to a party, school, or even a stage performance. It truly positions itself as an ideal travel piano keyboard. Now, let's talk about the keys themselves. This folding piano keyboard features 61 velocity-sensitive keys. For beginners, this is crucial as it helps them get a good feel that's closer to a real acoustic piano. The spring keys have a specific rebound speed, allowing players to really enjoy the sound by running their fingertips over them. Donner has put effort into the craftsmanship too. The keys have an outstanding design and a tasteful texture. They're also designed to resist yellowing over time and offer greater stability. But it's not just the keyboard. This package includes a Z-style keyboard stand. This stand is versatile, suitable for both home use and performance venues. One neat feature of the stand is the inclusion of lockable universal wheels. These wheels make it super easy to move the stand smoothly wherever you need it. When you want it to stay put, you can switch to the included foot pads to fix it firmly in place. Just a quick note from the manufacturer. If you're using the wheels, remember to lock them after you've placed the piano on the stand to ensure stability. Setting up the Z-shaped stand is designed to be straightforward, reportedly taking only 3 steps to complete the installation. Adjusting the height is also made convenient with a pull-out adjustment knob. There's another important note here. Always loosen the knob before attempting to adjust the stand's height. Forcing it without loosening could potentially damage the stand. Overall, this Donner setup seems to offer a compelling combination of a highly portable, feature-rich folding keyboard and a sturdy, easy-to-use stand, making it an attractive option for musicians on the move or those with limited space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.